guys, Jonathan here. Welcome back to my channel. It's April. What's the date today? Hello. I think it's the 25th. Anyway, spring snow, everything just came in. Same with my hay. As told before, I do have winter weather here through May normally every year, so it's good to see it. It's only be in the 20s. Wind's blowing, even now it's cutting through me. Anyway, I wanted to show the view. Literally everything has come in now on my farm, except for what is still dead from my lightning strike. So, and even that, I've had heavy storms, rain, tornadoes going by, severe weather, straight line winds. I mean, it's non-stop here as told. That's part of living here in Missouri, USA. Anyway, road's clear at least. We will have hard freeze this morning and same tomorrow morning. So there you go, winter wonderland again. Keep it short here, just wanted to share that with you. Animals are fine as told. Actually, when Cat Savannah just had babies in the barn, so she's fine. Same with the donkeys. Keep it short. You have a great day. Just wanted to share that with you here in good old Missouri, USA. Take care. Have a great day out there. Okay, bye.